You're listening to AI Engaged, Practical AI Insights for Business. Each episode breaks down what's new, what it means, and what to watch next. Let's get into today's insight.
Hook, lightweight AI that reads conversation context across voice, chat and email to prioritise leads, pick the best owner and draft personalised next steps so you stop losing opportunities in messy inboxes and missed calls. This matters because speed and relevance in follow-up still decide conversion rates more than flashy features.
Promise, in the next 12 minutes, I'll outline a minimal, testable design you can run in a week, the core components to build, 3 practical use cases for small sales teams, the key risks to watch, and a 1-week test plan that keeps humans in the loop. By the end, you'll have a clear next consideration to decide your first experiment.
Section 1. What this is and how it works. Put simply, a contextual lead router applies lightweight AI to conversation data to extract intent, urgency and buying signals, then converts that into a score and actionable routing inside your CRM. The pipeline has 4 minimal parts: ingest, extract, score and route.
Ingest, pull conversation text or transcripts from the channels you already use. Inbound calls, chat widgets, support email threads. You don't need full audio storage everywhere. For voice, transcription at source is fine. For chat and email, use the text stream.
Run a focused extraction step to capture a few reliable signals: intent, buying, support, info, urgency, immediate, soon, low, key attributes, product, budget mention, timeline, and ownership cues, mentions of account manager, territory. Keep the model prompts tight so outputs are structured.
Score. Combine those signals into a simple priority score. Use a small rule layer. For example, explicit purchase intent plus urgency equals high priority. Budget mention without timeline equals medium. And add confidence from the extractor. Conservative thresholds here reduce false positives.
Route. Take the score and map it to CRM actions. Assign an owner, set priority, create a task, and draft a personalised follow-up note. Always create an audit log so every decision is explainable and reversible. That minimal loop, ingest, extract, score, route, is the repeatable pattern I recommend.
Section 2. Why this matters and realistic use cases. First, the core business impact. Faster follow-up, fewer missed opportunities, better allocation of salesperson time, and cleaner CRM records so coaching and forecasting improve.
Use case 1. Inbound call triage. Imagine every voicemail or inbound call is transcribed and summarized. The system extracts intent and urgency, writes a CRM note, sets a priority flag, and recommends an owner. High urgency calls can trigger an SMS or a callback task within 5 minutes, while low urgency leads go into a nurture queue.
Use case 2. Chat widget escalation. A website chat identifies purchase intent. For example, the visitor asks about pricing and delivery timelines, and the router flags it hot. The system assigns an owner based on region or product expertise and suggests a short, personalised message to get the prospect on the phone. This reduces chat dropout and gets humans where they matter most.
Use case 3. Many VIPs go cold inside long threads. A monitor watches subject lines and sentiment, detects cooling signals like long response gaps or repeated clarifying questions, and surfaces those threads with a suggested personalised reply draft that references prior context and a clear next step. Now, the risks and limitations you must account for. First, privacy and compliance. Analysing conversations means you must record consent, minimise retained personal data, and keep a strict retention policy. Design privacy by default.
Second, misrouting and noisy signals. If models misread sarcasm or a casual budget mention, you end up wasting sales time. Mitigate this with conservative confidence thresholds and human review for low confidence cases.
Third, over-personalisation and salesperson burden. Auto-personalising every message can create awkward or inaccurate replies. Keep humans in the loop for ownership and provide easy override paths. Measure handback rates and satisfaction.
Section 3. How to implement quickly and what to watch next. Tooling options. Start with the stack you already have. Use your call provider's transcripts, chat logs from your widget, and email via your mail API. For extraction, use a small LLM or tuned extractor with structured JSON outputs. Integration can be done with no-code automation tools or a tiny serverless function to map outputs into your CRM.
Human-in-the-loop gates default to human review for any lead below a confidence threshold, say 80%. Route only high-confidence leads automatically, while the rest go to a short queue for a quick human check. Log every decision and show the extracted cues in the CRM so reps can see why something was flagged.
Monitoring metrics track routing accuracy, handback rate, time to first contact, conversion lift for routed leads, and false positive rates. For your 1-week test plan, pick one channel, build the ingest extract score route loop, run it with conservative thresholds, and review a daily sample of routed and non-routed items with the sales team.
What to watch next? Early signals of success are reduced time to first contact and a measurable bump in lead conversion for high priority flags. If you see rising false positives or sales friction, pause and adjust thresholds. When expanding channels, avoid onboarding everything at once. Add one channel at a time and stabilize monitoring.
Recap and 3 takeaways. 1. Implement the minimal pipeline. Ingest, extract, score, route, and prioritize auditability. 2. Start conservative with thresholds and human review to build trust. 3. Measure routing accuracy, time to contact, and conversion lift before scaling. Practical next consideration: which single channel will you test this week? Calls, chat, or email? And do you have shared transcripts available to start?
For tools, integration patterns, and examples, visit AIengaged.com. Make AI practical.
Thanks for listening to AI Engaged. If you want AI tools you can actually use in your business, explore our subscriptions at AIengaged.com. See you in the next episode.